Hey loyals, hope you're okay, hope you're doing well, and if you're new, welcome to this channel. So yes, we have another unboxing for you guys, as per usual.
And a review.
And a review, yeah, so what we think about the stuff, if you like it, don't like it, what we like about it, etc. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and yes, without further ado, unless you have anything you want to know?
No, again, God bless you for stopping by. I pray that is well with you. Everything that your hands find to do, may you be blessed. At first, I'm supposed to show you. Yes. You know that I don't do this, forgive me. Hey, it's upside down,
Wow.
This is the first parcel.
Alrighty, so in here.
Oh, I forgot about it.
Oh, so this is the black version of the gold. Okay. So again, we've got this sort of mesh bag.
Like I will show the gold version, isn't it? Let me see if I can get the gold version quickly.
And this is like in a shiny black, because we have a mesh one that's just in matte black, but this is shiny black, and it is a shoulder bag. I love the way it looks. Again, dressed up, dressed down. It's very, very useful. If I just throw it on here so you guys can see
it's nice.
Cute, you know? Yeah. Obviously, this one would not be as practical in terms of holding a lot, but if you're going out and you just have the essentials, your gloss, any little makeup,
your phone, anything,
oyster, you're actually done for the day. Keys, and you've got essentials in there. So I really love the way it looks.
Ooh, Nisha, sorry to butt in. You need to be careful. I don't even know if it's still on the website, guys.
Yeah. Shall I take it up close?
The links, one is trying to come off.
Come off. I don't know if you guys can see it on there. Hopefully it's focusing. But yeah,
I'll probably use a plier
to
put it in place.
Yeah, you have to be careful with
because I like it. I mean, it's unfortunate this happened, but I really like it.
Same. I think the best way to keep these bags, if you're in your room, you have those hooks. That'd be really good just to hang up.
Or in a duster bag.
Yeah, then that way nothing can hook on or make it whatever. But how much was this one? Similar price range?
Oh, guys, forgive me. Forgive me.
We'll probably see if we can put
it's definitely in a sale. This we bought for I think 27. This was 27. So I'm guessing this is like 15. Yeah, thereabout.
Which I think is more appropriate. Yeah.
For the price. Right. It was 27 during the Christmas. It came out during the Christmas season. So they used the hype of the Christmas just to...
The shimmer and everything. Yeah. So yeah, that's a nice start.
Really like it. And it's light.
Very light, yeah.
Especially if you're not a jewelry type, you don't want to wear chains and everything. Yeah, you can add that to your outfit. It's really nice. So there we go with that one.
Next package.
I think we'll have a few Zara unboxings and reviews coming up because the sale is such that things go in and out. What do you mean by a good opportunity?
Oh, to grab pieces to review.
Yeah. So there are times that you like something but it's not in stock, and then the next time you check, it's back in stock. So we'll have a few unboxings and reviews for you.
Yeah. Next one we have is
mine,
really cute
and I'm
blouse.
excited.
I love it. It's got that.
Why am I excited? Because I don't even get to wear it, really.
Yeah, that outfit. I told actually, to be honest. If
that.
My
God.
So this is a really nice sort of black flouncy top. It has a nice Peter Pan in a white lace. I love the contrast. And the style of top. Is there a name for this style? It looks really pretty. Baby doll vibes, isn't it? And it's got that nice cute baby doll buttons.
It has a little bit of flounce to it, Nisha, isn't it? It's nice. It's a wardrobe staple, I think.
Yeah. I really, really like it.
But you can actually wear it, Nisha.
Yeah, you know.
I think it will look nice on you because it will be oversized.
Yeah.
Paired with like I want to see this with a bell bottom.
Oh, interesting. Okay. I don't own any bell bottoms actually.
But that one looks a bit like bell bottom.
This is like
a little bit. So what I'm thinking is that if you don't want to wear with bell bottoms, then you can do high-waisted mom jeans with high heels, cut shoes. Or you can do like a crop jean with boots that go into the crop.
Yes.
So these are the
options. Yeah. I really, really like it. I feel like Mommy says, it's a nice staple and a different take on a black shirt. You don't always have to have the oversized shirt or a normal fitted shirt. These other styles bring something new to the outfit.
And I think it's poplin. It's a poplin fabric, so it's not heavy. It's not viscous. It's breathable. Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah.
I think it's one that you can wear all seasons.
Yes, 1,000%.
Can put a blazer on it. Even better with a jumper, a chunk in it.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Well, you let like this peep
the
through.
sleeve come up,
Yeah.
a V-neck or something like that. So you have the Peter Pan, a bit of the black peeping through. Look at us, we're getting very excited
over the shirts.
Yeah, so that's a good one.
And then sticking with shirts, it also came with a white one, which is not so much baby doll.
I love this.
But no, it is actually, but it's just not as flouncy.
I love it. I love it. Love it.
And I think it's got like a navy lining. It's not black, or is it black?
It's navy.
Yeah. It's really, really pretty.
You know something? It's actually black.
Oh, it's black.
It's black, but I think the fabric they use. Oh no, the thread. Sorry, for the embroidery has a velvety feel to it. So
you get.
You know how? Thank you.
Yeah.
Velvet behaves like that, so that's why we have that.
And then the sleeves are just so cute with the
scallops. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And
I just think these shirts are really cute.
But I think it looks small. Nisha, what size is this?
This is a size XL.
This is an XL. You see, but it kind of looks small.
Because
I'm an XL, but I don't know if this will fit me.
The way you would like anyway.
I think it's your game, isn't it? Again, most of the times,
if anything,
I'll pick it up and then Nisha rather gets to wear it. But hey, it's all good.
Next package.
Did we show them the price and everything? We did, right?
Yeah, we did.
And it's also poplin. It's a poplin shirt. Yeah. I think this is a shell blouse, Nisha. When we say a shell blouse, it's almost like it doesn't sit on you. It's not baggy. It's not big. It doesn't flare out. It's not gathered. It just opens out and it's almost like A-line. So it sits on you. Not even snug, like, you know.
Yeah.
Comes out just a little bit.
So this dress,
I think we've shown this one already.
Yeah.
But I picked it up again because it went down in price.
So returned the other one and got this one.
I got this one.
But it's just a nice tiered crepe fabric dress. It has a Peter Pan as well.
It's a
very
tiered,
nice, easy. It gives me Doing vibes, really.
Yeah, it is true. Two tiers, isn't it?
Yep. Double XL. You know how we go, how we do.
Oh, it says size down.
Do you know why? Because the make of the dress is very, you know,
it's like a tent,
voluminous a little.
Or like a, what would I call it? Like a smock. You know, it's very big. It's very huge. Yeah.
So depending on if that's your vibe or not, you know, you'd suggest it size down. So yeah,
the fabric is like oh, there's a name for it. It's not mesh. There's a name for this kind of fabric. It almost wants to behave like oh, it's not coming. Don't worry.
But yeah,
I hate it when I'm trying to remember something and it doesn't come.
And we're gonna end the video and she's gonna be like. Okay, next one.
I think we've shown this again. This is gone down. We bought the original one for 39. It actually, how much was it originally? 59.
Wow.
Came down to 39. And now it's 25. So I picked it up again.
So they're just nice, easy mules, to be honest. Like pointed toe, you can wear with a lot of things. Short heels, so you don't have to worry about height and walking in them. And yeah, we got them in a size 6. And like Mommy said, they retail for 59.
Yeah. I think mules are like a very informal or smart casual shoes when you wear jeans, isn't it?
Yep.
If you don't want to wear like court shoes and
if
look
you're going
too
to a
dressed
nice
up.
place for brunch, like a really nice place, then you can do mules or whatnot. Yeah.
It's a shame I don't get to wear all these things.
So
the next one is this one. I feel like it's another shoe.
Oh yes, this one. So this is again gonna be part of if we style for uni wear and things like that. But I love this bag. So it's a hard shell bag and it's like in the Bottega green, or would you say it's a different green?
Bottega green.
Yeah. It has a nice sort of imprint going on, and then it has this sort of strap bag which keeps it a bit edgy and keeps it quite youthful, to be honest. Sizable.
Sorry, Nisha. I think I don't know why I get Fendi and Prada mixed up all the time. I'm always mixing up. I think it's Prada. their bags, they have this kind of belts and handle, or what do you call it?
Strap.
Back handle, strap. Yeah, thank you. Strap. So a lot of the Zara, this is from the men's
section.
Men's section. But again, like we said, we wanted to style for younger people. I thought instead of getting like a proper mini bag, I wanted something a bit edgy.
Yeah, I
to
see
throw on an outfit. So I picked up. Initially, I wasn't sure because it's actually 19, and I think I got it for, how much did I get this from? I can't remember. Either 15 or something. So I was thinking, oh, let me leave it, and then when it goes down further, I'll pick it up. But I said, okay, I wanted that much for that purpose, so let me get it. Worst case scenario, I'll buy it again and then send it off. But it's gone.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, I see why it's popular, to be honest. Quite sizable, but I do think you have to limit what you can put in.
Can we, where's your phone?
My phone's here, yeah.
Because I think for young people, the most important thing would be that
if your phone fits.
Yeah, if your phone fits, then you're fine.
Days. But yeah, it is hard shell, so meaning once you reach capacity.
I really like Anisha. I don't know why.
So, yeah.
Damn. This is nice.
I think, at best, your purse, keys, lipstick, hand cream. I think you could get more in this than the meshy one. But yeah, it's quite a good one.
Which I'll put on you, let's see. I don't know if you stand.
Yeah. It gives me suitcase vibes. I like it.
I was just going to say that.
Like I'm going to the airport.
Adjust it a little bit.
Don't
and
worry.
I think one of these are the ones that you cross body it very high.
Very high on you, so it should sit quite.
I think that's alright. So that's how it looks.
Hopefully
it's cool. It's nice. Yeah.
I like it the way it sits. So in this box we have a pair of boots. I love the way these boots look. I don't think I've seen a sole like this before.
Bottega did it.
Oh, they did.
But it's not like a one piece all together like that. You know how it's almost joined from back to front. It's almost giving you like a platform shoe, isn't it?
Right, yeah.
But a chunkier platform. And Bottega has a similar one, but then there's a break from the heel and the front.
Okay.
So something similar, but there's a break. Back to that duplicating designer stuff. So maybe they're trying to avoid,
any form of
copyright stuff. Yeah.
But yeah, these boots look so cool. So yeah, as you can see, black ankle boots, but they have that contrasted brown sole. For once, no cleats, which we
I think it's unique.
Yeah.
Funny enough, people don't like things that are different. It's just there, still there. When it came down, it was 100 and see if you.
The tag, you got a tag?
No, it's here. It's here. It was originally. It says 89 here. But on
the website.
On the
probably
website.
is another.
Oh, it's 89. Maybe it's 89. Yeah, see.
Yeah, 109.
It's 109
originally.
Yeah, and then it's come down to 39. So there was a part of me that was saying that I would just get it because this one it would just fly out. Yeah, but it's still there. And I think it's just because of the sole, because not many people are used to something like that. Yeah.
I love the length of the ankle as well. It's not too high, not too low. So
if it goes down any further, I'm just going to get 2 of them and change this to
the
green.
Base.
The base to green. So I have a
like Bottega green. Yeah. It would be like, mwah. Yeah, but really like.
It's lovely. Real leather, solid.
Or they'll say chef's kiss this one.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah.
It's really good. I'm sure we'll link it for you. So just in case you want it, you can grab it. I think this was a good one, isn't it?
Yeah, I like
everything.
In this. Yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it as well, and our opinions on some of them. Let us know if you agree, disagree, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys in the next one if it fits.
Feel free and have fun styling it.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Welcome to the channel. So today we have another unboxing for you guys as per the spider.